Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to do something that is fun and motivational while being educational at the same time. As we all going through tough times with less income or even no income like me who has been laid off, I decided to make this video about how to make money online for free, not using your credit card. There are so many scams on the internet, and trust me, I've been through a few of them. I hope with my experience I can educate you and help you not to make the same mistakes I did. Do not fall for the shiny objects. Stay focused and do not get distracted. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials and reviews to help you to make informed decisions. I will share my most valuable methods with you, as I know it works and I'm getting an income from this. I'm making money online by making these short tutorials. Anyone can do it. If you want to learn how to do this, click the link below for the free training. If you want more free training and want to learn how I make money, make sure to subscribe to my channel not to miss my next video. Let's get down to business. 5 websites where you can make money online for free without needing a credit card. I promised no hidden subscription services, no hidden fees, nothing like that. Remember, these websites are not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but you will see by taking action you can build up money streams on these websites, and who knows, maybe later a full-time income, which I think is very cool. That is why I am doing this. I hope this video will smash your mind and crash the mental roadblocks you have about making money online. It's not as hard as you think. You do not need to have money to make money. Let's look at the 5 methods. The first method, which I'm currently using, is a free and beginner-friendly and structured method. You can check out by clicking on the link below this video. It's a 12-step training on how to start your own online business. You would love it. We're a great group that will support you if you decide to sign up. The second website I'm talking about is Skillshare. You can pay $10 to see all the videos in the website. There are tons of videos from how to make a coffee latte, to how to make a sketching practice, how to do digital planning, and many more. You can use your special skills, make a short video on your mobile and share it on Skillshare. All of us have something special that we can share with others. Once your video is up, you do not have to do anything. You will just make money. How to make a latte? It seems very simple, but there's people searching for it. And look at this guy. Just a random video, few minutes, showing us how to make the latte. The third option, it's still with Skillshare, but this is Photoshop. Lots of people want Photoshop tutorials, and guess what? You can make these for free. Why not share your skills with those of us who would appreciate your video? These videos are a mixture of talking over slideshows and talking over screen captures of how to do editing inside of Photoshop. You do not have to be on camera. Just talk over your slides that you have chosen. We will understand as long as you show us what to do. If I'm stuck, I search for videos permanently, and I'm looking for videos that can help me understand how to use Photoshop and how to make the changes. If you subscribe to Photoshop, you have a 7 days free trial. Work hard in the 7 days, look what you want to do, take your photos, and after the 7 days you have your videos ready to upload on Skillshare and you can leave Photoshop. If you stay on Photoshop, you can also use your affiliate link, and if somebody signs up, you can get commission from Photoshop. If you need a free screen capture software to use, check out OpenShot Video Editor for free. This is easy to use, and there's a lot of training material to show you how to do everything. Website number 4 that I'm talking about is Text Broker. Unfortunately, it's only available in USA. This is the next option. So if you love writing, it's a professional and friendly content writing service, not highly paid, but is fully remote and offers opportunities for advancement. At 2 and 3 star levels, the income is low, but as you improve and progress to level 4 and 5, so does your income. You can earn up to $50 for 1,000 words per script. This website could be worth a check out if you have no other way of income. You can earn $50 for 1,000 word script. This website could be worth a check out if you have no other way of income. The last site that I've been looking at is to create an ebook, and for this you use Trello to make your professional looking ebook. This website have over 25,000 templates that you can choose from. But remember, for the free version there are limitations, as for any free version of a program. But there are still enough templates to choose from to make a great ebook or other posts that you need. This website is excellent for non-graphic designers. You can still create your post like a pro. Once you've done your announcement, you have your ebook, you can then post it to Instagram and sell it on Instagram. There's no pay ads. All traffic is free, and Instagram is a great site to share this type of things on. Post your ebook on your social media accounts. Instagram works very well for this type of post, but it doesn't stop you from adding your ebook on any of your other social media platforms. If you have an account and a few followers, you can make money by using free organic Instagram traffic. Use your specific niche and post great niche specific content on Instagram. You do not have to pay for any additional ads. You can create the ebook for free using Trello website and use Instagram for free to make sure you get your ebook sold. In summary, let's make money online and not lose it online. I hope this was useful to you, and if you have any other website that is free you want to share with the group, please post them in the comment section below. If you want more free training and want to learn how I make money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel not to miss my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.